transformed anew. Dusty dreams sweep away under skies so blue. With every crack and fracture, foundation stands strong. Ancient echoes whisper we can't go wrong. From the rubble we arose like phoenix in the air. Scattered pieces fit together, hearts repair. A patchwork quilt, a vision thread so bright. In the darkness found the spark, igniting light. Bring on the light, let it shine up high. Open our eyes like stars in the sky. From broken to whole, we pave the way. A new dawn arises as we greet the day. Shattered mirrors caught the sun as it began to rise, reflecting fragments of our past, sparkling lies. With every step we take on newly laid ground, the pulse of change is strong, we hear its sound. Whispers of the past, they try to pull us back, but courage fills our hearts, the future's on track. In every scar and wound, a story unfolds of resilience and love like silver and gold. Breathe of the light, let it shine up high. Open our eyes like stars in the sky. From broken to whole, we pave the way. A new dawn arises as we greet the day. We build the light, let it shine up high. Hope in our eyes like stars in the sky. From broken to whole, we pave the way. A new dawn arises as we greet